Hey guys, I got something else to show you guys that's really cool, a collectible. Not necessarily Star Trek, but it is a model kit. I introduced to you the Revell S.S. United States model kit. This model kit is in 1/600 scale. You can see on the front it says scaled from official prints. And before I go any further, I just wanted to do a quick shout out. I wanted to do a shout out to Commodore Urban. He really got me into this ship. I never really noticed this ship before. The love of my life, ship-wise anyways, the RMS Titanic. And he opened my eyes to the SS United States. And you should check out his channel. He's got a really cool custom ship that he made. It's like 7 feet long. He's got actual items from the ship and all kinds of memorabilia. Commodore Urban, the jack of all trades with the foul mouth. That's what he goes by. You should really check out his channel. So getting back to this kit, I got this kit recently off eBay, and I was a little misled. I was under the impression that I had gotten the original kit. When I had seen it, the person that listed it only put a very tight picture of the front, and that was it. And I hope I didn't overpay for it. I spent about $50 with shipping and tax and everything. It is unopened. It's still sealed. But this is not the 1950s version. This was the re-release that they had done in 1996. And I will go through some of the kit history for you. Just so you know what's going on. The box art, you can see you got the Statue of Liberty, New York Harbor, and the SS United States is leaving port. Beautiful picture on the front. And on the side, you've got that copyright, 1953 by Revell Incorporated, Venice, California. And then it shows you different models that you can buy from Revell. And as usual, I'll put up a lot of pictures for you guys to check out, and you can pause. Even the instructions that came with this ship, well, with this kit, as well as the new ones. And when I got it at home and I was going over it, this is what I had seen that made me realize that this was not from the 50s. You can see 1996. So that's kind of a bummer. Again, it was just enough information where you didn't really know what it was off eBay, except that it was a sealed model kit. And let's show you the sides. This kit number is 0312. And on the other side, you can see it's the same on both long sides. And on both sides of the end, it's the same. Same picture, and there's nothing on the back. So, let's give you a little bit of information. Let's start with the ship herself. The SS United States. She was designed by William Francis Gibbs. Her keel was laid on February 8th, 1950, at the Newport News Shipbuilding and Dry Dock Company. It was built to the Navy standards, including compartments that prevent flooding and combat flooding. She had dual engine rooms. In the event that one of the rooms was incapacitated, the other one would be able to run independently. The superstructure was made entirely out of aluminum, and that kept the weight down to a displacement of 45,400 long tons. Her turbines produce an amazing 247,785 horsepower. Over 3,100 workers finished her in a time period of just 16 months. She launched in 1951, and she had 23 public rooms, 395 staterooms, and 14 first-class suites. Commanded by Commodore Harry Manning, she could travel 20 knots in reverse, and she could exceed 38 knots going forward. But the highest service speed that she did was 36 knots. She would become known as America's flagship and become known as the world's fastest ship. In November of 1969, during her annual overhaul at Newport News Shipyard, she was pulled from service unexpectedly, never to return. In 1978, the Navy sold her, and to numerous owners, and is currently docked in Philadelphia. She is hoped to be saved from the scrapyard, and due to her construction, the ship is still remarkably structurally sound, even to this day. As of this film, or this video, 2020. As for the kits now, this kit was originally released in 1955, and it was kit number H312. In 1956, the kit was re-released, and it was kit number G335, but that was a kit titled Let's Take a Trip gift set, and it had a plane, a Cadillac, as well as the model SS United States. That one's really rare. Again, it was re-released in 1961, and it was model number H332-200, and then again in 1973 as H332. It was released again in 1991 as kit number 5234, and again in 1996 as kit 0312, and that's the one that I have right here in front of you. It was re-released most recently in 2016, and the kit number is 805146-0379, and it had gone to more of a side open box for the kit. So that's the information on the model kit, and as usual I'll put up a lot of photographs and little tidbits of information that I find. If I didn't include it in the video, find something during editing, I'll put that up too. So that, my friends, is the United States, and the model kit from 1996, and this one had been from the 1950s. And if you're a fan of the United States, I've got a big surprise coming very soon. I was able to get another model kit. I can't believe the condition that I got it in and the price that I had gotten it in. But it was from the Ideal Toy Corporation, and that's going to be a really fun video. So if you guys want to stick around for that. Again, this is the Revell S.S. United States, and if you were curious about this model kit, I hope this satisfied your curiosity, and until my next video, I'll talk to you very, very soon.